Okay, this is the latest video on the leading edge slat, and this was number 6 version. I've got the spring loaded hinges installed now. I got some body work to do on cleaning up this leading edge that I tore up. These get balsa sheeted and filled, and you won't be able to see this anymore. But it was easier to do it this way. That way I can get the epoxy in there and get everything set up so I can see the distance that I wanted to get, the gap here. So as the plane starts flying and the leading edge gets wind resistance, it's going to get pushed back in. Fly fast, she's in, you start to slow down or high angles of attack, and she pops out automatically. And then as you level out and start throttling back up again, she's going to go back in. Just like the F86 model actually did. This was just basically free floating. But since I couldn't guarantee that it was going to pop out, that's why I put the springs in here. And we'll carry on. There's a couple things I need to finish on the bottom, and then we'll be ready to start doing the body work. That's the end of that.